My name is Stephen Shelton.
And I am Gene Howell.
Today, this is our final for PHP that we are recording, and we are going to be discussing MD5 function. What the MD5 function is it's an encryption algorithm that encrypts a password when it is put in and saved into the website or database wherever it's going to. Basically what it is it encrypts the password and then compares that encryption when a password is put in, and if the encryptions are the same, then it'll allow that person into the website or database or wherever they're going. It cannot be decrypted by any normal means, and it is used as a security form to make sure that the passwords can be safe if someone tries to hack in or whatever. So now we're going to show you the code and show you how it works.
Okay, so I'm going to show you the code here, and this first page is the index page of what I have basically here is a paragraph tag that holds some PHP content, which will be a variable str right here that holds the string of text hello. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this string and we're going to echo, basically displaying on the page, the MD5 function form, or the MD5 function, and we're going to put the variable str, which holds this hello, and what it's going to do is it's going to create a hash of that string. So that's how you do that here, and this is the first example I've got, and then I'm going to go and show you what this does. And there you are, having where I had the hash form of the string text hello equals the MD5 form of the word hello. The second example involves this password form, which basically we're going to type in a password and we're going to click, well, it says click login, but we're going to just submit it. And it's going to basically compare the password that we type in here and compare it to a text file that has the MD5 hash of what we're going to type in here. And as we type in here, we're going to, the form that's going to function is going to turn this password into the MD5 hash form to compare to the text file. And if the text files match, then we're going to have a display message appear that basically says something to the statement of this was successful. So now I'm going to go down here, and as you can see, I've got the first example, and then I've got a form here that where you're going to pass the variable pass, which is for password. This is the variable that PHP is going to read and turn it into an MD5 hash, and of course that's this input field here, and of course you have the submit button that says login, but it's really just submitting something. Anyway, so now the next file is going to be the PHP processing script, and what we have here is an if-else function that basically you're going to pass this bit of information in that basically says if this exists, then put this user password into the MD5 hash form of pass, which is going to put this pass into MD5 hash, which is what it's going to compare. From there, we're going to create a variable named file name that's going to take the hash.txt that we created that has the hash already encrypted, and it's going to read it. And from then, we're going to create another variable called handle, which is going to have another function connected to it called fopen, which basically is going to open up this text file right here, and this is your read-write privileges, and it's going to read that file. And then from then on, our next variable that we're going to pass through is file password. And this is going to take it's going to take our file and it's going to read it, and it's also going to do the whole size the whole. It's gonna collect the whole file size data, which is what this function does, and it's gonna take it from this variable, which is obviously holding the hash.txt. From there, we're gonna put another if-else statement that compares the user password, which is the password that we typed in, equal to the password that the file has, and it's going to compare, and if it's successful, it's going to echo out passwords match. If it's not successful, it's going to echo out the string of text saying incorrect password. And if nothing is there, period, if you didn't type anything in, it's going to echo out please enter password. Now let's see how this works in demonstration. I'm going to refresh the page just to show that nothing is there. I'm going to type in password. And I'm going to redo that because I messed up. Password. Now I'm going to click login. Passwords match. So that's how the script read the file. It compared the two passwords in both hash form, encrypted form, and it obviously was successful. The same process works well with a database. The same logic is the same. What it does is it gathers the password, encrypts the password, reads the password from a database that's already encrypted, and you get the same result as you see right there. And that's how it works. There we go.
Alright, and that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you for watching, and it wasn't the best video because we have to record it on a phone because we don't have a camera or any kind of other recording device, so it won't be the best quality, but it'll be a little bit lenient on us in your ratings. And thank you for watching. I'm Stephen Shelton.
And I'm Gene Howell.
And thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.
Happy coding.